We have a solution for the global plastic waste problem. And the story of our sustainable solution begins here, in these forests. At Paptic, we believe that the world not only needs better packaging, it deserves it. That's why we created the next generation packaging material made of renewable wood fiber. To tackle the global plastic waste problem, our sustainable material combines the best properties of traditional packaging materials, like the sustainability of paper and the functionalities of plastic. Our story began in 2015 when the founders of Paptic worked at VTT. Talking to some of the world's leading sustainable brands made us realize that there's an urgent need for a radical material innovation. One that replaces plastic films, is easy to take into use, and is efficiently recyclable at scale. What we came up with is Paptic, the perfect circular economy solution. It is based on sustainably sourced renewable wood fibers and can therefore be recycled together with paperboard. What is more, the material is strong and flexible to allow reusability. Paptic can be used in flexible packaging applications ranging from bags to pouches, from food to electronics packaging, and even more. We spun off from VTT to make Paptic the Gore-Tex of packaging materials, the perfect solution for everyone in the flexible packaging industry. Even more importantly, we want to make products that help our planet survive. By harnessing science and offering a real alternative to plastic, we can fight against plastic pollution and protect our planet.